Okay, unboxing of the Antec curved wooden case. Looks very interesting. Be careful, knives, damn sharp. Oh, what have we got here? Okay, box. I assume that's got some cables in. I'll look at it in a second. Nicely packaged. It is damaged on the front, so I hope the glass is in one piece. Tip it upside down. It should come out in one piece. He says confidently. Or not. No. A little bit of suction. Where's my knife? Wow, okay, that is amazing. Nice curved front on there. Very stylish, if I do say myself. Right. I don't know how to open it, but I'm sure it can myself somehow. Kill that for a second. Okay, if you read the instructions like I didn't earlier, and this little label here tells you how to disassemble the case. That's always a good start, is read the instructions. I do recommend that. Right, reassembling the case, I found this corner won't lock back into place. All the other corners will, apart from this one, which is not great since it's the side with the I/O on it. No, it still continues to pop out. Let's see. Let's take these little plastic things off. Let's see if that makes a difference. It might do. Aha! Okay. The rubber was getting in the way. I could make a dirty joke about that, but I'm not going to. Okay, so problem solved. Okay, this is the components for the case in its nice little box. What do we have in here? Okay, the book for assembly, if you need a reference guide, might come in useful, as I haven't built a computer for quite some time. Oh, it's going to be a long time. A few cable ties and some Velcro strips. They'll definitely come in handy, but way too few there. We could have probably forked out for another dozen at least. Depends how messy you want your case, really, I suppose. I like a nice tidy case personally, but there you go. Nice little box here with some spare dividers in the corner there. So all the screws, some cable clips there. What we got there? Some rubber feet by the looks of things. Some more screws there. That will definitely come in useful, because you definitely always have screws and bits and pieces left over when building computers. It's a bit like IKEA furniture, I guess. Right, so this blanking plates. I'm assuming that's to hide some more cables, whether that's power cables or vice versa, I don't know. Maybe some water cooling pipes to hide, not sure yet. This won't be a water-cooled computer. I'm not entirely trusting of water cools, but we shall see. I haven't made that final decision yet. Right, the price for the case was surprisingly quite good value, I think. It was from Overclockers, as you can see. I'm sorry, this does look like a CIA redacted documents, but if you see here, £95.79. The motherboard is also on here. Final price £304, which I thought was great value. Well guys, thank you for watching the video up to this point. It's going to take me a few months to assemble all the parts for the case. If you have any comments, please leave them below. None of these products are sponsored, by the way, so hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.